Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Wednesday, April 7th. We're going to do a midweek report today. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report, one of Timer Digest's top rated market newsletters. And I want to let you guys know we offer a subscription, an annual subscription, a monthly subscription, and I've been doing this since 1997. By the way, our new website is in the process of being uploaded, so should be 24 to 48 hours from now. I understand my Dale at WoodsonWave.com email is down for now. I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. But we appreciate all the support for the YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, hit that reminder bell, and will the like button come up? No, but the like button is there, down there, and that's what it looks like. Again, sorry for that little technical glitch there. Okay, today we're going to do reports on the S&P, Tesla, the NASDAQ's at a critical juncture, and let's take a look at Bitcoin. It's been a while. So let's see. Let's get into the S&P here. We're looking at 4-hour bar from that fourth wave of intermediate degree low on October 30th. You can see we've had a 1 up, a 2 down, 3 is equal to 1 there, a 4 down, and 5 gains equality with 1 on a minor level. These are minor right here at 41.36. It went past our ideal 39.96 where 5 equaled 1 on an intermediate degree level. So we want to look at things from this fourth wave low, which is the March 4 low. Okay, now we're looking at an hourly chart of the S&P. Here is the March 4 low. We have a 1 up, a 2 down, and wave 3 is developing. Okay, let's look at what the second wave retracement did as far as retracing wave 1, and you can see it's a perfect 50% retracement at the 38.53 low. Can't draw it up any better than that. Let's remove that so we don't have too many things in the way. Let's get a wave 3 target here. Let's get an extension from the wave 1 low. We'll tie it into the wave 2, and that gives a target price of 41.17. That would be wave 3 there. Okay, 1, 2, 3 gains equality with 1 right there. You can see this is subdividing here. Let's take a look at this internal wave 3 structure here, and we have a 1 up, a 2 down, and you can see that 3 there is over the 1.618. I'm sorry, over the 1-to-1. It could gain equality right here. This could go higher, although 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It could be complete here, okay, in between, because it is 9 waves unless it subdivides to 13. If you guys are looking to count waves, I may have mentioned this earlier, impulse waves in the direction of the main trend are 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, etc., etc. And then corrective waves are 3, 7, and go from there. Anyway, this thing could go higher to there, but let's just, for argument's sake, say it's complete and we're going to get a 4. Okay, so if that 4 were to come from that top of yesterday it made an all-time high, and today it made a closing high. There's our targets for 4, 4023, 4003, and 3983. I want to go to a quick summary here of the S&P. That's the NASDAQ. Here is the hourly bar, and here's from that 3-4 low. We have a 1 up, a 2 down, and here's 1, 2, 3. I've been doing these time spirals since the late 1990s, and I've always done it from the top, counting down and looking for turning points on the way down. But I've noticed here from the March low, we have a Fibonacci 13 days to the 317 high. Slippage of none, hit right on. We've got the next number in the sequence is 21, and we've got a target of 325. Bang, there's the low. Our next target is a 34 Fibonacci days. It gives us a target of 47. That's why I mentioned the high of 3 was 46, the print high, if you will, and the closing high was 47, so it's a -1. So we may expect the next number in the sequence is 55 days, and that gives us April 28th. So we may see a wave 4 down. There's our targets, and then a wave 5 up to complete 3, and then 4 down, and then 5 up into the 428 high. Okay, there's 1, there's 2, this is 1, 2, 3. It'll be 4 and 5 for 3, then 4, then 5. So we'll see how that plays out. Maybe 55 days from the fourth wave low will mark the high. But keep that date in mind, April 28th. That's the next turn date in the sequence. But we want to go back to our one that has been working since the... I got to get that over here. Hang on, guys. Let me do this. Let me get this chart over there. Got it on the wrong screen. Bear with me. This one here. Bear with me. There it is right there. Okay. Okay, here we go. So the 4-hour bar, the one that's been working since September 2nd of last year, it caught alternating highs and lows until it caught the fourth wave low, and then it started catching peaks here, okay? 3 in a row. The fourth one will be April 23rd in the sequence, okay? So we'll see if that continues to mark highs. That's very close to the other one that we just did, which marked the other, here it is here, excuse me, and it marked 428, and we got 423. So we'll see how this plays out, okay? We're obviously on the way up, and we're in a third wave. We'll see if it gets here before it goes down in 4, or if it's right on that Fibonacci turn date. Okay, let's move on to Tesla. Tesla daily bar, all-time high of 900 on January 25. There is a clear 5-wave pattern to the downside. Even the internal waves break down into 5 waves, within 3 and within 5, okay? We have an ABC up that looks like the first wave in the correction, that looks like the second wave, and that looks like the third wave. Okay, let's get some Fibonacci's on here. Let's go with the retracement from the all-time high. There we go, down to here. There, and you can see the A wave hit right on the 50% retracement at 720. I believe it was 717. This is a sloppy B wave. Okay, that let us know that this was not the entire correction. There's more to it, and this wave up here is unfolding, and this is pretty critical here, what it's doing. There's 3 different possibilities here. C and 2 could be over here at the high of 708. It could make a double top, if you will, where C equals A at 717. It could go to the 618 retracement at 763, or it could gain equality with A. Let me get this extension here where C equals A, and we've got A, B, C, and it's right near the 618, okay? So we got to watch this real closely here. If this starts breaking down into 5 waves, and it appears that it has, I didn't have that 5-minute chart ready, but let me just go to it from that April 5th high. Let's see if we can get in there and dig a little deeper into this. Bear with me while I stretch this out. Go the other way. There's that high there. Let's look at this a lot closer if we can and see how that's breaking down. Okay, this is from that B wave high. Boy, that's a sloppy one there, but it's definitely 1, 2. That could be 1, 2, and that could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very well could be. Let's look at that. We're doing this on the fly, if you will, to borrow a hockey term. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's almost a 1, 6, 1, 8 too. We can get a 1, 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that could be the end of that B wave up there. Okay. So we're going to continue to watch this and see if it's breaking down into 5 waves to the downside. I don't remember if I had this on an hourly or a daily. Bring that back to get the bigger picture. There we go. Maybe I had that on an hourly. That's a mess, isn't it? But that, you get the picture there. That could be over. Okay, we're going to see how that breaks down. That's right near the 1618. So we'll keep looking at that, and obviously a break of the B wave low signals that we're going to take this out and we're going to go down. Oh, that's what I wanted to do too, guys. Let's remove this so there's not too many lines in the way. Okay, let's remove that ABC, and let's just say that this topped at 2 right here. That'll give us a different wave 3 target. Obviously, the wave 3 target is going to depend and move with the wave 2 high. And you know we have several different possibilities. We've got where C equals A right above the 618. We have it here at the 618, which is 763. And we have the double top here just under 720. I believe it was 719, 717. Well, let's just say it ended here. And again, it could go higher. That would give us a third wave target of 348. Okay, so we'll see where this goes. We're going to watch this really closely, okay? So here we go. Yeah, I want to look at that a lot more closely. I'll be watching Tesla as I do almost every minute of every day. Let's move over to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ's in a pretty critical position too. You can see we're looking at an hourly chart here, and the NASDAQ topped on February 16th. A clear 5 waves to the downside. Does this remind you of Tesla? It does, except for the C wave has already went above the A wave high in the correction, okay? But let's see where this is, because this is important too, where this retracement goes of the first 5 wave decline. And I've got it off a little bit there, but you can see it passed the 618. Let me throw the 786 in for reference. There we go. And it's right near it, okay? So we've got an ABC correction. Obviously takes out the all-time high. It's not a correction. It can't correct more than 100%. So it's at a critical point right here. And 786, it's almost right, and it might be right on it. My markings may be off by a little bit. But let's see where C equals A in this second wave here. I'm curious myself on the NASDAQ. And it's right up, wow, it's right up there under it, okay? So, boy, that would really shake out the longs, wouldn't it, if they took it up there? But 786 is good enough, okay? So, let's move these out of the way, and let's see where 3 equals 1 if 2 is in at this high on April the 6th. Looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? The dates, they're so close. Let's get an extension here. On the NASDAQ, there's 1 down. There is 2 up, and it could go a bit higher. Let's get it right there. 3 equals 1, and these may be off by a little bit. 12,008 or 10,910. Okay, so let's see. I think I have a Fibonacci time spiral on the NASDAQ too, which you might find really interesting. Okay, this is NASDAQ hourly bar. There's a 216 high. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, the Fibonacci turn dates, 8 days later marks 224. We had a slippage of -1 day, a low of 223. The next one in the sequence was March 1. That marked the wave 4 high right there. The next one in the sequence, 21 days, equaled 3.9. We had a low on 3-5, which was -2 trading days. For you football fans out there, it's not touchdowns, trading days. We had a weekend in there, so it was off by 2. That's not bad. And then 322, it caught the intermediate high, if you will, or secondary high, okay? As you know, lows often happen 55 Fibonacci days from the high. They can mark panic spike lows. They don't have to be, just like the October 30th low was in the S&P was 55 days from the September high. It didn't mark a panic spike crash low, but it did mark a low. Okay, here's the exact numbers on that wave 3. If the 2 high is in, as of yesterday, we got 12,003 and 10,903. And the turn date is a week from now on April 12th. So we'll see. Like I said, the NASDAQ is in a critical position. We'll see if that second wave is over and it turns down or continues up and takes out that high. We should know within the week, obviously, hopefully sooner than that. Let's see, we want to move on to Bitcoin here. I believe I had Bitcoin, and we'll wait for it. Wait. Yeah, there it is. Okay, haven't done Bitcoin in a while. But you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're looking for the 5th wave, which is subdividing here. And I don't know if I had a 5 high on there or not, but there it is there. And we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I need to break that down from that 4 low. Let me move that up there. And let's break that down on like an hourly basis, see if we can get a better look at that move up from the 4th wave low. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There's 1 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I even had it. Okay, well, we'll look at it on an hourly. There we go. You can see it better there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me expand that out. Get a better look at it. Here we go. Let's make it a little bit bigger for everyone, and let's see if we can get. Yeah, that would be 1. That would be 2. Boy, 4 might overlap there a little bit. Yeah, we got way too many windows open. That's a problem here. Let me see if I can get this in again with that 4th wave. It's the last one. We don't want to cut the video short, but here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. That's 2. Let's see if we can get a Fibonacci retracement on that. Wave 2. There it is, right at the 618. You got to like that. And then we're starting 3. So we've got 1, 2, and here comes 1, 2. Boy, this is going to be a third. It should be pretty powerful. Let's get a price target for a wave 3 of 3. Let's see if we can get it here. We'll go 1, 2 down to here. That's pretty darn close, right at the 618. And where is our target there? 3 equals 1 at 69,049. And let's see if we can't find a 1618 on there. And wait for it. There it is. 86.82. Okay, that's what we're looking at. So, want to review real quick the NASDAQ precarious position here. We'll see if it's going to go higher and break up or go to new all-time highs or break down into the possible panic spike low on April 12th. And we have our bigger picture with the S&P looking for that 4136 target, and the nearer term on the S&P is here. We're looking for a near-term 4th wave down before 5 up and a possible high on April 28th. Okay, that wraps it up for this midweek report. Until next time, take care, everyone.